On a weekly basis for preventative maintenance, we're going to want to lubricate a couple components that are on the system. So our first component that we want to focus on is the pressure gun itself. The pressure gun, it's important to lubricate the gun nozzle. Because it moves in and out to apply chemistry or just freshwater rinse, over time this can get sticky. So we're going to simply use either some WD-40 or a white lithium grease, and we're going to just apply a little bit of lubrication down inside the gun nozzle so that it continues to freely and smoothly operate back and forth. The second component that we need to lubricate on a weekly basis is going to be our chemical selector valve, which is located in the back of the machine. We're going to simply take our lubricant and we're going to apply just a little bit, not too much, to the valve so that it keeps it spinning freely. By lubricating those two components, it's going to allow your system to run smoothly, allowing all of your knobs and your pressure guns to operate efficiently for you while you're out in the field.